Hey guys, Ben Bears here. Just gonna give you an update on our latest prototype, well, which is technically a demo now. We have show you right here. We sort of have a whole level, sort of like our prototype level. Nothing's final, of course. Just a few things I'd like to mention before we start playing. I've added a few changes. First of all, we decided to temporarily disable the automatically generated Macguffin script for now because we were having some problems with it when it started to reach to different heights of the level. And another thing is it's still currently in the process of I'm fixing up the 2D script for the images that's supposed to be the B, but I'll show you real quick. As soon as I actually start playing, the B image will load up, and that was just because of a Boolean problem I had with 2D scripts imaging. So I have to apply those to the frogs as well. And another fix was, well, you can't really tell now because this is not the exe, but the timer restarts once the level starts. I had that problem before because the timer wouldn't actually restart. So, and one final fix that we've added, or sort of like an update, was here. I'll put on maximize mode. When Lionel gets hit, he actually flickers. I don't know if you can really tell because of the video player, but we're still deciding if he's actually gonna flicker, sort of like the old school 2D platformers, or if he's going to have a sort of separate frame that shows him getting hit. So I'll show you a playthrough of the demo level that we have. Oh, another thing is I've made it so each time you fall off the cliff or lose enough health, Lionel will actually teleport back to the last shrine. So I'll show you that real quick. And there he goes right there. Still have to fix it a little bit because he gives a sliding force to it. That might become a problem later on, but that's a simple fix. So, well, this is a double moving platform area that we've added to the game, sort of increase the difficulty. There we go. Another thing is, for this part, there's actually two ways you can approach the rest of the level. You can jump through the top part platforms, which is sort of be a faster way, but it's a more difficult way because it has 3 enemies, or 3B enemies, waiting for you at the top of the platforms. Or you can just run down this hill, which is actually an updated friction script that wouldn't work at first. I had to go around and mess with the code. So now Lionel can run up and down hills in both ways, both left and right. So we run down here, get these frogs out of the way. And if you haven't noticed, I've also made it so, let me get rid of these bee guys. That's actually the top part of the level that I was mentioning before. And whenever you reach a shrine, the your health and energy will refill. So let me get to the last part of this demo level, which is indicated by a golden shrine, just for now at least. So when you reach that, it'll give you time to complete the level, time for the developer to complete the level, which was myself, I've actually made it around 49, 50 seconds. Energy remaining was the energy that was left when you finish the level, and then there's energy bonus points, which gives you bonus points with the amount of energy you have. So the more energy you had left, the more bonus points you get from it. Enemies destroyed. There's the enemies that I shot down while playing this demo level. And enemies destroyed bonus is just the added bonus for each enemy destroyed. So we can go back to the main menu. And there's our options and control section, which is control type A for now. I'm still messing around with the Xbox 360 controller input. It might actually work right now, but my Xbox 360 controller actually broke a while back, so I'm gonna have to probably borrow that from a friend or go out and buy another one. So let me go back here and then new game, and as you see, the timer actually restarts. As simple as that sounds, that took me a long time to figure out because this actually uses the time.time code that's already in Unity, and I found out that you can't manually reset time.time. You can't just say time.time equals 0 or equals a certain integer. So that's it for the playthrough, and we've also made it available now so it can also be played on Mac and not just PC. That was just all I had to do was click that feature. I didn't know that before, but so hey, it's both playable on PC and Mac. We haven't made it playable on Linux because I actually don't really know anybody that uses Linux on the regular. So hey, if anybody wants the Linux version, I mean, I can always add that feature in anyway. And along with this package will be a questionnaire for play testers. Just asking them about the certain mechanics that we have in our game so far, certain features, and just how they feel about it. Like, for example, the one feature of Lionel, when he stops running, he sort of gives a slide. And from certain people that have played it so far, have complained that the slide is too much. But then when we disable this feature, it sort of made the game a lot feel a lot slower. So we're gonna get the input from a bunch of different people to see what they think about it. And we are also trying to get the usability lab at the at UB campus in downtown Baltimore. So that's it for this week's update. Thanks for watching.